I want to try something out a little bit different, actually. So someone recommended that I try the flood mod, and this map it works okay with them, I would say. It certainly gets the job done, and we got all these different flood NPCs in here. I hope I got the right mod. I did a little bit of digging around, and I think I found it. But basically the scenario is that the Jedi Order is down, Order 66 happened, clones are defending the Jedi Temple pretty much, because they're here for like survivors pretty much of the Jedi Purge. But instead of Jedi, they got the Flood pretty much. And I'll be doing something a little bit different. So I'll be standing kind of over here, but as you can see, I got an NPC camera, so you can see what's happening from the clone's point of view. And let's just see what happens. So yeah, I'm just gonna unpause this. We got the volume on, and yeah. Are they firing? Wait, can they fire rockets? Wait, which ones are firing rockets though? Oh, looks like the clone's lost. Okay, now I'm gonna do attempt 2 pretty much. I just gotta find the utilities, everything. I guess I gotta destroy these guys the old-fashioned way, I guess. Let's go like this actually. Move, 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 move. I think I might have all of them. I think I might have gotten all of them. Pretty sure. That's quite the impressive battle though. Like, I didn't think the Flood would actually fire back. Like, I was not expecting that at all. I thought that the Flood would just like walk towards them like zombies, kinda. If you know what I mean. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, you know what? Let's see if the Empire stands a better chance. Oh wait. Wait, should I do the Empire? No, I don't think I will actually. I think I'll stay with the Republic. Okay, I think I'll put some clones up here. And I'll have like 2 officers in the background for there this time. And I'll put in 3 of these guys right here, pretty much. And on the floods team, because I'm still trying to like figure out which ones like fire and which ones don't, I'm just gonna put in a bunch of these flood infection forums right here. And the flood combat forum. Review these flood combat. I keep saying combine. I don't even know why I say combine, to be honest. Huh, weird. And then the comment forums on these guys right here. I'm not sure which one's which, to be honest, so I might end up you know, I think these guys might actually be the ones that like fire at them pretty much. So I'll put in 3 of them pretty much. And I think that might be good, I think. Actually, no, I'll put in a few more of these guys in your combat forums in there. There you go. I'm trying to give the clones like a little bit of a challenge here. Then we gotta find the NPC camera. I think I'll have him right there. Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna stand over here and let's see what happens. Oh dang, I forgot to set my timer. You know, I'm gonna set it for like 12 minutes. How many clones are left? I think there's really only 1. And how many? Yeah, I knew it. It was these guys who do a good amount of damage. Okay, now that we got the clones here, I'm gonna have the next thing be a little bit of a twist, actually. Oh, here, I have an idea that might work. I'm not sure where that sound's coming from, but yeah. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm gonna say that the flooders have taken over the library. Pretty much, I gotta take it back, which means that I'm gonna go in with a ghost frontline gun. Although I'm gonna have myself get killed first, so I can have 100 health, because it would be too OP if I did have a million health. Where are you, Flood? I literally have so many NPCs I can't even keep track. When the combat forms up here to defend the library from me, pretty much. A few of the combat forms in here, pretty much. And then I have two of them in there, and oh yeah, I think this is where the giant distress signal comes from, I think, so that would be good to have them there, pretty much. Okay, now I'm gonna kill myself on here. That didn't count for them, but okay. I'm gonna get my grilled frontline weapon out. Oh, actually, you know what? I should just use these, actually. I think I just gotta get myself some pistol ammo, though, because I don't want to go in there with a lack of ammo or anything like that. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off disable thinking. I'm pretty sure the library is this way, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure the library is in here. Oh, you know, this isn't where the library is. Where the reading's coming from. Oh yeah, they're over there. I got it taken out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in there with the girl's frontline weapon now. Now I'm gonna get serious. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna regen here. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot I had this mod installed. I could run along the walls. That's so cool. I forgot I even had that, to be honest. I got killed again. I still like how I can do that, to be honest. It's so cool. Consume. Yeah, make sure none of them survived very much. Okay, well, I think we managed to kill them all off, I think. Unless we missed a few, but I mean, I doubt we did. Seems like we killed them all off. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did, and I'll make another video shortly, so yeah, peace.